Hi everyone, it's Gus! Merry Christmas! Today we're drawing baby Jesus. Okay, start by making a big circle on the top half of your paper. That's his head. Now, baby Jesus has 2 ears, so on the left side, draw a small C, and on the right side, draw a small backward C. For his blanket, start right here and draw a long bean shape, down and around to the other side. Then add 2 curved lines on the blanket like this. And now 1 more line in the blanket from here to here. Nice! Next, let's give him a cute little nose by making a backward C in the middle of his face. Now do 2 curved lines for his eyes so it looks like he's sleeping. Then a big smile. He looks happy. Add 2 more little lines for his eyebrows. Oh, baby Jesus is so cute. I had so much fun drawing with you. Now have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time.